All, welcome to the new video of problem solving using C. In this video, we are going to discuss the remaining topics in operators. That means we have already completed the topics arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. Now we are going to discuss increment and decrement operators. C programming has two operators, increment and decrement operators, to change the value of an operand, constant or variable by 1. Increment can be represented by plus plus and decrement can be represented by minus minus. Increment increases the value by 1, whereas decrement decreases the value by 1. These two operators are unary operators, meaning they only operate on a single operand. Here we have an example. uh, as include stdio.h, the header file. Then in the main function, inside the main function we have four variables: a of integer type, int a is equal to 10, then b is equal to 100, then float c is equal to 10.5, then d is equal to 100.5. These are the operators. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 100 of integer type, then c is equal to 10.5, d is equal to 100.5 of floating point type. Now we are going to display the result. The importance of increment and decrement operator. First, printf percent a, printf plus plus a is equal to percent d, means plus plus a means 10 is incremented by 1, that means 11. Now another, printf minus minus b, that is decrement b percent d, that means uh, b is decremented by 1, that is 100 minus 1, which is equal to 99. Now printf plus plus c, that is increment c, that is c is incremented by 1, that is 10.5 plus 1, which is equal to 11.5. Then last, printf minus minus d, that is decrement d, that is 100.5 minus 1, then which is equal to 99.5. This is the important of increment and decrement operators. Increment can be incremented by 1 and decrement operator can be decremented by 1. We have post and pre-increment. In the pre-increment, the operator in the first part of the operand, then in the post increment the operator in the after will be the after the operand. So this is about increment and decrement operator. Now bitwise operators. During computation or mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc., are converted to bit level, which makes processing faster and saves power. Bitwise operators are used in C programming to perform bit level operations, such as these are the following operators: bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, bitwise complement, that is not, bitwise left shift, then right shift. These are the operators: bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, bitwise complement, bitwise shift left, then shift right. These are the bitwise operators used in C. Now we are going to discuss some other operators in C programming language. These are conditional operators, comma operator, and sizeof operator. First one, we are going to deal with conditional operator. This is also known as a ternary operator. In this, the conditional statements are the decision making statements which depends upon the output of the expression. It is represented by two symbols, question mark and colon. Here is the syntax: expression 1, then question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Expression 1 is the condition checking statement, then expression 2 and expression 3 are the output statements. This can be illustrated like using this diagram. Then variable expression will be here in the first section. If it satisfies the first expression, then it will follow the expression 2. If it will not, if expression 2 is false, then it will print the expression 3. Here we have an example is the uh, int age. It is the integer type age. Then you are going to uh, catch your age using printf statement. Using cantf statement, you can give your age. We have possible conditions. Here we have age greater than or equal to 18, question mark, printf eligible for voting, or printf not eligible for voting. These are the expression. Age greater than or equal to 18 it is the expression 1. Printf eligible for voting it is the expression 2. Then printf not eligible for voting, it is the, if you give the input as 12, that means we provide the age of user below 18 then not eligible for voting, then program finished with exit code 0. It is the first condition. First condition is second expression is satisfied. Then if we provide the age of user above 18, then enter your age 24 eligible for voting. Expression 3 is satisfied. This is how conditional operator works. Now moving to comma operator. Comma operators are used to link related expressions together. For example, here we have int a comma c is equal to 5 comma d. It is the expression when separated by comma. For this kind of operation you can use comma operator. Now size of operator, we already had discussion about size of operator. It is to display the size of data type. It is a unary operator that returns the size of data, means constants, variables, array, structure, etc. Now here we have an example. For size of operator, we have four variables: int a of integer type, float b of float type, then double c of double type, then d of char type. These are the four uh, variables. Then we are going to display this using size of operator: size of a, size of b, size of c, size of d. Here is the output: size of int, integer size is 4 byte, size of float 4 byte, size of double 8 bytes, then size of char 1 byte. For displaying this you can use size of operator for getting the variable size. In the next video I will come with operator precedence and operator associativity in C programming language. Thank you.